Hello ladies and gents. Oh my god, I haven't filmed in this room in so long. I'm back at college in my dorm. Love this place. I have a very exciting video today. I'm gonna do a little Princess Polly haul for you guys because I bought a bunch of clothes from them and I'm super excited to show them off. No offense. I'm very much so on that summer vibe right now. Trying to revamp my wardrobe. Get ready for spring and the nice California weather. I'm so excited. I'm like experiencing my first California spring and now I get to have all these nice clothes and this nice weather. Back home in New York it's still like 25 degrees out and here it's like 80, so I'm pretty pumped, I gotta say. So this is gonna be a try-on haul. Also really exciting, if you shop on princesspolly.com, you can use the code AMBERA for 20% off site-wide. They also offer free express 2-day shipping on all US orders over $50, and they offer AfterPay to all US customers, so pretty fun. So I got a lot of stuff from them, so I suppose we should get started with the haul. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, also I opened the package and like removed all the clothes from the original packaging, but I haven't like opened up any of the clothes yet, so I don't know what they look like. So it's gonna be a nice little surprise for you and I. So to start off, I got this nice little green plaid dress. I want to wear this to a picnic or something. Oh, that would be so cute. I like that. We are starting off strong. Next item we go here. Got a nice little midi skirt. Oh my goodness. A nice little burnt orange pinkish tone satin midi skirt. I love it so much. I'm so excited to wear this. Burnt orange is like one of my favorite colors to wear. I don't know if this is really orange. It's more like a rouge. Why did I say rouge? Copper, that's what it is. What's the tag say? Oh, it's called rust. It's like my favorite color to wear because I feel like it always complements my blush. I'm so excited to like wear this to the beach. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Second semester's like spring and everything. California. Oh my god, I love being here. Okay, next I'm gonna talk a bit about my jewelry. So I'm already wearing some things that I got. So I have these nice little key earrings and then this layered necklace. It came with this third necklace in the set, but I just left it off today. And I also got these. Oh my god, I'm doing it. This nice little lock hoop earrings, super cute. And I realized within like the past month, I was never like a jewelry person. Like the most I would wear would be like hoops or something. But then I realized jewelry is really the way to like elevate an outfit, you know what I'm saying? Princess Polly has really cute jewelry, so I was sure to get some. Moving on. I don't even remember like what I bought, so it's kind of crazy for me. Next, I got this little button-up black long sleeve shirt. It's like kind of cropped and pretty tight fit, so I'll wear it with some like looser fit pants. Next, I'm excited for this one. Next, I have this dress, and it's like super big and flowy. I feel like it would look so good at the beach, and that's why I bought it. Wow, this is so cute. I love this dress. That moment when I'm baby. This is so fun. I feel like this is a dress I had when I was a toddler. I don't know. Next. Okay. I'm moving through these pretty quick. I don't know why. Princess Polly has like the best sets of like any brand, I feel like, so I always like to get lots of sets from them. This one is a little two-piece set that comes with this little crop top, and then you wear it with this midi skirt. It's a nice little like green pattern on both of them. But I also feel like this would be very fun at the beach. I bought all of these with the beach in mind. I'm kind of afraid this won't fit my titties, but I think it will. Oh my god, I love this one too. This is the best day of my life. Oh, I'm so excited. It has like a elastic waist, so that's always fun because then it just like fits a little bit better. Where do I wear this? Everywhere. That is the answer. This is a mix of like a pirate costume and Tinkerbell, right? Don't pirates have these things? Also, you know what's crazy? This semester is like so different from my fall semester that I just finished. Everything's just so much better. Like first semester was super fun, but so much has changed for some reason. I've just met a bunch of new people. I got a new roommate. Like my old roommate moved out and we got a new one, and my new one has an emotional support dog. So there's a dog living in my dorm. Ugh. It's a dream come true, honestly. And now it's so fun in this room. Can you believe it? There's a dog living in my space, making me so much happier, and I don't have to be responsible for it. That is the dream. If you're wondering, it's a charcoal lab, so just imagine that. Ah, he's beautiful. I love him. Shout out to Ziggy, my favorite puppy. Besides Bubby, of course. I will never forget about Bubby. Anyways, can't think about it too much or I will start crying right now. And that's on period. Oh my god! Wait, I have to tell the story about my dog. No, it's not my dog. So Ziggy, the little puppy. We have a dorm pool here because you know how California schools be, they just be having pools everywhere. My roommate always goes out with her dog and she lets him swim in the dorm pool. What a sight to see. The amount of joy this dog gives me, the endorphins released in my brain when I see this dog when I walk into my room every day. unmatched. I should probably continue with the haul. So let's get it moving. I got these jeans. They're ripped. These jeans fit so well. These are the only jeans I haven't ever had to like cuff. They fit perfect on me. I'm 5'2" and I bought a size 6 just so you can like figure out my proportions. They're like slightly cropped. Like they're a little short, but like it looks so good. And they fit perfect on the booty. And on my waist, wow. I'll tell you what they're called right now just so you know. The Jalen jeans. And they're like really soft too. They feel so good. I got to say, Princess Polly has the best denim. Of like any brand, I always go to Princess Polly for my jeans. And they're my favorite. Oakley dokley. I deadass do not remember buying this. Alright, next I got this little black mini dress. Because I don't really have like a good staple black mini dress. So hopefully this will be a nice addition to my wardrobe. Whenever I need a nice little mini black dress. Shall the occasion present itself to me. Oh, you know what's crazy? People be like rushing for like sororities and frats right now in my college. It's crazy. I didn't rush, but like what an environment to be in. To witness this going on, crazy. They be doing so many activities. People be like singing at everyone's door, surprising their littles and their bigs. And I'm like, oh my god, right now it's Spoils Week at Chapman. If you know what Spoils Week is. Basically the bigs surprise the littles with lots of gifts. Frat boys like deliver the gifts. So there's just like frat boys singing at everyone's doors and delivering presents. I do love to see it. I love the culture. The culture. Ooh, okay, next I got a little play set. I think that's what it's called. Play suit. Beige play suit, short sleeve with some shorts. So it's kind of like a romper. And then it ties across the front. So you get a nice little bow. It'll make more sense when I try it on. Very easy. I love a good set or like dress or romper of any sort because then your whole outfit's figured out. You don't have to match a top and a bottom. I love that. So this is super cute and lightweight and fun. And you'll never guess where I want to wear it. Can you guess? Can you guess where I want to wear it? The beach. Alright, next. I believe this is another thing I got for the beach. I'm just crazy. I cannot be tamed. This is a little dress. It's all like gold and shimmery. It's long sleeve and it ties in the front. So it's kind of like a wrap style dress. I am just imagining, once again, me at the beach in some bikini, walking along the shore with this draped over me, so sparkly, shimmering as the sun sets on the horizon, glimmering against the water, reflecting onto my skin. I am perfectly tanned, a little sunburn on the cheeks, got a nice blush going on. And then all of the boys that love me are taking photos of me and I look so good. I'm just kidding. I'm totally kidding. Just don't ask me what my weekend plans are, am I right? It's definitely not that. JK, JK, JK. Next up. Where did this come from? Where did this come from? Where did this come from? I got sent undies? I don't think I ordered this, but I think they included it. This probably fell out of like a set and I'm supposed to... No, there's... I don't know where this came from. Because I put all my clothes that I got in a big pile. So either this is like part of a set that I need to wear like under something. Or they accidentally sent me added underwear. Interesting. Where did this come from? I don't know. Anyways. Next. Oh wait, I think that's a bathing suit. Next up, I got a little cropped tank top because I do love a nice little crop top. And I can wear this with some baggy pants because I always do either like a tight shirt and loose pants or loose shirt and tight pants. So this is my little tight shirt and I get to wear with some baggy pants. I love this style of tank top. Always looks so good with some giant pants. Next I got this turtleneck, long sleeve turtleneck. Very stretchy, very soft because I do love a good turtleneck and a mock neck and whatever. And this is cropped so it'll make me look more proportionally correct. I love a good crop top for that reason. Loving that. Absolutely loving it, love. Ooh, next I have another accessory. Little scrunchy type thing with some strands going on. I'm gonna put it in for you guys right now just for the laughs. Oh, also, this is my natural hair. I just showered and it looks so curly right now. I'm definitely gonna share my hair routine with you guys soon, so like stay tuned for that. I feel like this is the hairstyle I always want to wear, but I'm too nervous to wear. The strands in front scare me, but I think I just figured it out. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is so cute. I'm so girly and cute and fun and fresh. Next up, I got this white long sleeve shirt. It has buttons like halfway down it. Nice tight fit. This is so soft too. How is it that soft? I've been needing more like tight long sleeves. I feel like that's the vibe. Ooh, another long sleeve. I forgot what I bought. This is so fun for me. Some sorority girl just found out who her big is. That's funny. Okay, next up I got this long sleeve shirt or like sweater type thing. Nice little button up. Very cute, yeah. Okay, my last article of clothing. This is crazy. We've been on this journey together for what, 8 minutes now? Now we're nearing the end. It brings me to tears thinking about it. Could not have done without you guys. Oh my god, I remember these. I remember I bought these. Just for reference, pretty much everything I bought in this haul is size 6 or like medium. So these pants, they are so fun. They have pockets all over them, some nice little details going on. Oh, also if you're wondering, this sweater I've been wearing the whole time with these like long sleeves and everything, this is also from Princess Polly. I just got it a couple months ago. I love that. This is like my favorite sweater also. So I believe that leads us to the end of the haul. My goodness, what a journey it's been. Everything I bought today I will link in the description of this video. Also, don't forget about my code AMBERA for 20% off site-wide. Yeah, Princess Polly I always go to, especially for denim and dresses and stuff like that. They always knock it out of the park, you know what I'm saying? Also, it's festival season and they have a lot of stuff on their website, like really cute sets for Coachella or wherever you're headed. I don't think I'm going to Coachella. Also, is anyone going to Coachella? Is it being canceled? Awkward. They have super cute clothes on their website, so definitely check it out if you're interested in anything I showed in my video today. A little difficult to film a try-on haul in my tiny dorm, but I tried my best. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, rest of your week, rest of your month. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.